Outside looking in, but that's all that they know. Like a one-sided mirror, only I can see the glow. Tryna cure my insecurities, cause that's the way it goes. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Swerve, and I'm back with another video, man. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to start a clothing brand like this, or how to build your following up like this from home, man. So let's get straight into it. No third-party sources, just you yourself, man. Just you being yourself. Alright, man, let's get straight into this video. Alright, man, first things first, you know I gotta plug my own stuff. So, hey, man, if you like these hoodies, these zip-up hoodies, embroidered on the front with the stitching, if y'all don't know, and then puff print on the back. Let me try and show y'all the puff print. Puff print on the back, man. Go check out my website right here. Also, link down in the bio. Follow the Instagram, follow everything, socials, TikTok, everything the same name. So I'm gonna link it down in the description, and y'all just go follow that, support me. But yeah, man, let's get straight into this video. All right, y'all, I'm back. So first things first is I'm gonna tell y'all the list of stuff you need to buy and why you need to buy it. So the first things first is you need to buy a heat press from either Amazon or your local craft store should have a Cricut heat press. You want to get the biggest one, probably a 12 by 12 or a 15 by 15 inch heat press. So I have both. I have a handheld one, which is by Cricut, which is the one I use mainly, and I have the one by Amazon. I mean, it's about 200 bucks, but that's on the cheaper side for heat press. That's just like something you want to use just to start up. It's only gonna last you about a year or two. Mine only lasts me about a year or two. So, and that's what I hear from everybody else too. So, yeah, it's pretty temporary, but to start up is definitely great until you can build up your profits and invest in a new one and invest in a great one. But if you already have the profits, go ahead and head over to heatpressnation.com. They have the best ones. Get you one off of there if you had a profit too. But if you don't, head over to Amazon, copy one. And yeah, man, so I got me a little list. So if I'm looking down, just ignore it. But yeah. It's used, let me tell y'all what it's used for. It's used to press on the transfers and heat transfer vinyl that I'm gonna tell y'all about in the next step of what you need to buy. So the next thing you need to go online and do is go to either supercolor.com or Transfer Express and get you some transfers and heat transfer vinyl with your design. If you don't have a design, go ahead and head over to Instagram, type in .std on the search bar, and then a bunch of graphic designers will come pop up. Scroll through their pages, find somebody whose style you like, and then go hit them up, get you a design, and then go to what I just told you, Transfer Express or supercolor.com, or your local print shop, get some heat transfer vinyl and get transfers. Transfers is basically the same as screen printing. You could get screen printed transfers, plastic style ink. If you don't know what that is, that's the type of ink like that goes into the shirt. It's not necessarily on the shirt, it's like in it, so it's gonna last. Heat transfer vinyl is more temporary. It will last, but not as long as screen printed ink. But we doing this on a budget, so you go ahead and get your heat transfer vinyl. And then to use the heat transfer vinyl, you're gonna need a Cricut Explore Air 2. That's what I use. It's a vinyl cutter. You can use any vinyl cutter, but the easiest one to learn how to use is the Cricut Explore Air. You probably want to get the newest version, though, I'm not gonna lie. Or the one that's most affordable for you. And then after you got all that stuff, pretty much the last step before you can start making the clothes is buy the hoodies and tees from an online wholesaler. I could make a video on where I get mine from because it's a lot. So like where I got these zip-ups from, great quality. I don't know if I could tell, but it's fleece on the inside, so it feels really good. It's lightweight for the spring. Got the strings on it. Good hood, double lined stitching, stuff like that. But yeah, man, I'll drop a video on that if y'all want to. Comment down below, comment and say, drop it if you want me to drop a video on my blank wholesale vendors, because I don't have time to really talk about it right now. But yeah, you want to make sure you're trying to get the best quality stuff for the price. So I wouldn't really rock with the gilding. That's what I started with, but yeah, man, you could get some better stuff for maybe like $1 or $2 more. So I'm not even gonna recommend the gilding. Let's just get past the gilding phase before you even start. Everybody went through the gilding phase. Well, not everybody, but most people. But yeah, get straight past the gilding phase. You don't want to deal with that. People gonna complain about it, stuff like that. Go ahead, just comment down below. I drop a video on where to get the stuff at. And then now I'm about to just show y'all how I do the stuff. The process of me heat pressing, cutting out the vinyl, making the hoodie, packaging the hoodie, and then what to do once you got all that done to start getting your sales, man. So, all right, man, I'll be back. I'm about to go in the basement. That's where I work at, to show y'all my little workspace. So, all right, man, I'll be right back. All right, man, so I'm back down here. As y'all can see, I'm in my workspace. Let me show y'all my little inventory stash right here. Got my machines. I know it's kind of messy right now. I was working earlier. But yeah, I got all the machines I was telling y'all about earlier. And now I'm about to just set the camera up on my ring light once I find it. And I'm gonna show y'all what I do. I'm gonna show y'all the process of everything, how to package the stuff, make the stuff, cut the stuff, do the stuff, man. I'm gonna show y'all how to be a brand. Show y'all. All right, so you wanna grab your HTV you about to use. Press upload on design space right here. You're gonna press select from library, which is what you're gonna have. Then upload the image, but I already got it uploaded. Now I gotta scroll through my images. I'm gonna just make a simple T. This is just some random stuff, 444. I'm gonna just do this, whatever. This is not one of my T's. It's just for the example. Edit, select it, make it the right size. All right, so it's gonna be 8 inches or 9 inches. Basically, y'all can't see it, but yeah. Then with HCV, the thing is, you always want to mirror it. So press mirror right here, close, next. It's gonna load. And now you gotta get your mat ready as that's loading. Get your mat ready. It's kind of hard to do when you doing it on hand, but get your mat ready. But you see this arrow, press that, definitely get it in. Yeah, hold on, let me lay this down. It's acting slow. You could make it go faster by pressing 2 times speed right there, which I pressed. And then press go. And then it's gonna load on here, show you how much you got left. So yeah, man, I'm gonna show y'all that once it's done. All right, man, so I actually ended up cutting out a different design. Here it is, it fell on the floor. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna do, because this is from one of my older shirts. It was one of my $5 shirts. So I'm gonna grab the blank right here. Can't show the brand, because that's for another video. Grab the blank right here. And then, yeah, hold on, let me spread it out. So yeah, man, once the heat press is heating up, what you wanna do, you wanna go over at one time to dry it out, get all the moisture out of it. And then you wanna grab the actual transfer, line it up. Line it up, I just do it with my hands. You could use this measure off Amazon. Press it. Press it, then you're gonna peel it. I didn't actually do it because I don't need to right now, because I already got my shirts made. You're gonna press it, then peel it. Then I'm gonna get you one of these. You wanna get you one of these. You can get these off Amazon. And this is what I use to package mine. And then they're gonna look like this. It's gonna look like this once you put it in the packaging. And then yeah, look real professional. Then with your packages, what I like to add is, I like to add a sticker. This is something that also makes people buy something. It's falling. I like to buy a sticker. Add a sticker, add a keychain, and then a business card. I can't find a business card right now. Oh, here it is. And then add the business card, and then package that up, ship it out. So yeah, man, this pretty much the process. So now that I've showed you guys all of that, how to do this stuff, you're gonna wanna take some pictures and start your Shopify. Go to shopify.com, start your Shopify account. They have a 14-day free trial. You want to do that. Start promoting your stuff on TikTok and Instagram Reels. Make sure you have accounts for both of those. That's where you're going to get most of your organic reach from before you even start spending money on ads. I wouldn't recommend spending money on ads until you got a decent following, so you can know like who, because on the ads you gotta give Facebook or Instagram a specific audience who you want to target the ad to. So you're not gonna know that until you start getting a customer base and you looking at your customers' pages, seeing what they're interested in, seeing what, you know what I'm saying, like seeing what they're interested in. So don't do Facebook ads until like probably like a year in. Just go like a year organic and see how that goes. If it doesn't go well, it should tell you something about your brand. No disrespect to anybody, but you'll be able to see where you're at against the competition, because it's a lot of, once you get on TikTok, you'll see it's a lot of brands out there. A lot of brands are doing the same things as well. So you really want to try and be original, make yourself different, but at the same time follow the trends. So like, for example, right now, zip-ups are a trend. However, another trend, that's a trend that you would want to hop on. However, another trend that you wouldn't want to hop on is probably the Y2K design. Like, that's what everybody's doing right now, the Y2K stuff. So I wouldn't really rock with that, because everybody's doing it. It's more saturated. You have more competition. I would try to think outside the box when you're talking to your designers. And yeah, try and go for more like a street type of design. So yeah, man. And then just some little tips to keep your ego up, man, to keep your emotions attached, because like it doesn't happen overnight. The following that I showed you guys that I have, it's happened over a year. Sorry, I had whatever flying. It doesn't happen overnight. So don't expect you to go on TikTok and get 1 million views your first video, because it's not gonna happen. You probably want to post, I'm not gonna lie, 10 times a day, like an hour apart each time. Don't worry about failing either, because a lot of people fail. I failed when I first started. I wasn't getting sales. People were hating, saying my designs were trash. And you know what I did? I took it as motivation. I leveled up, I bossed up, got some new designs, and them same people were back in my DM supporting me, buying my stuff, complimenting my stuff, commenting on my posts, liking my posts, sharing my posts, everything. So yeah, man, that's about it. I got a couple video ideas I'm gonna pitch to y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all want first. I'm gonna show y'all, I got a video, how to blow up on TikTok to get more sales, how to grow your Instagram from any other social media, how to get sales in general, how to build a following, and where to get the blanks at. So y'all just let me know. I got the videos for y'all. Just let me know, comment down below if y'all like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, give me more video ideas. I might do a day in the life video as well. But yeah, man, that about sums it up for the rest of this video.
Outside looking in, but that's all that they know. Like a one-sided mirror, only I can see the glow. Tryna cure my insecurities, cause that's the way it goes.